Now it's time for our Mortgage Minute. I've got Phil Rasmussen from Synergy One Lending. Phil, thanks so much for being here with us.
Thanks for having me again.
Of course. So we touched on 2018 and the changes that are impacting the mortgage industry in terms of consumers, but I know that there are more. Talk about some more of the changes that we're seeing.
Absolutely. The mortgage industry, for those who experienced it, obviously saw a product shortage post 2007-8 and the mortgage crash that affected so many people. And I use the analogy a lot of like a rubber band. The industry stretched too far and snapped and went too far in the other direction. But it's now settled back into common sense lending. And so there are products out there now that are outside of your typical mortgage products customers are used to. Conforming lending with Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, who most consumers know, as well as FHA and VA. There are new products we call expanded access here at Synergy One. That are for customers that don't fit those. Self-employed borrowers, borrowers who've had recent credit events, a bankruptcy, a foreclosure, a short sale, and might not be able to borrow money through the conventional channels currently, but can in fact get financing and get back into homeownership today and take advantage of a housing market that is currently very busy. Much more common sense oriented than maybe in years past in the industry, but very much needed. It was a big gap that's been sitting in the industry for well over a decade at this point.
This seems like good news to a lot of people. I know changes can sometimes be scary, but this sounds like something that people can really benefit from.
Absolutely, and very much an important thing for customers who may not know what's out there or may not think they qualify currently. Makes it all the more important that they reach out to an experienced mortgage professional who can counsel them on the potential options that might exist for them.
Completely. Well, thank you so much for talking with us, Phil.
Thank you for having me.